How to disable the save option on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Official Help Tips. Now let's get started. Make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Now open your Snapchat. Your camera will open up. Now at the bottom left you will find the chat icon, tap on it. With that your chat section will appear. Now head towards the profile of the person for whom you want to disable save in chat option. Here I will be selecting this one person. All you have to do is tap on the avatar of that person. With that you will land to the profile of that person. Now at the top right you will find three dots, tap on it. Different options will pop up. Head towards the option of chat settings. Now here you will see this option of delete chats. Open that option. Now select the option of after viewing. With that you are good to go. Now this person will not be able to save any chat. You can apply same process for other conversations as well. I hope now you guys are clear about how to disable the save option on Snapchat. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.